a mile high, but I feel so fucking low. I don't give a fuck about anything anymore. Rather just sit back, thumbing through my dope. Cases closed, I wrapped them up and threw them in my phone. Close the door, lips the song. I am so known, even past my home. Smoking homegrown, it's that potent shit that puts me in my zone. Like a king in his throne, I have shown. Once I've shown, got a couple bones stuffed in the back of the closet. I got it, couple ops went missing, no one spotted. I drop it, and noggins will pop it. Birds of a feather, yeah we flocking, no stopping. That's how we rockin', like Christopher Walken. I'm stalking and jogging, you should start jogging. Need a fucking lesson, let's take a walk then. I got men from Den to Stockton, we Stockton.
Couple of white boys making the right choice, making some nice noise. Don't fuck with no decoys, they can get destroyed. Staying on point while I'm smoking on these joints. Every time I shoot my shot, I'm making the 3 points. You're making some weak points. I once had a dream and it started with 3 coins. Filled with ambition, figure having a vision would get me out this prison of addiction. If you ain't on a mission, are you really living? Man, listen to this wisdom that I'm spitting. I'm so driven, mix it with the gifted precision. I'm never quitting, feeling lifted. Safe fit, I just thrifted. Vivid description from a Christian in a different position. Get better from repetition. Water whipping in the kitchen while you sipping and bitching.